Flamingos are spectacular birds, renowned for their elegance and vibrant pink color. But beyond their beauty, these birds have a unique way of life, fascinating adaptations, and a deep connection to their natural habitat. Flamingos thrive in extreme environments where few other species can survive. Their largest colonies are found in Africa, South America, and the Caribbean, as well as certain parts of Asia and Europe. They prefer salty lagoons, marshes, and alkaline lakes, where the water contains high levels of minerals and salt. Flamingos stand out from all other birds due to a series of unique traits. Flamingos are not born pink. Their chicks are initially gray or white, and their pink feathers develop over time due to their diet rich in carotenoids, natural pigments found in algae and small crustaceans. The more of these organisms they consume, the more vibrant their color becomes. In captivity, if not fed properly, flamingos can lose their pink hue. Although flamingos are resilient birds, they face numerous threats. Climate change, pollution, and habitat destruction are affecting their populations worldwide. Flamingos are not just beautiful birds, they are incredible examples of adaptability and survival. From their spectacular color to their elegant dances and extreme habitats, they continue to fascinate people worldwide. Their story reminds us of the importance of protecting nature and the delicate balance in which many of Earth's species live.